Welcome to Logimeter Insights. In this video, we'll cover how to best manage the Call Tracker Dashboard. In order to log in, go to logimeter.com and select Login. Insert your username and password. If you forgot your login details, use the Forgot Password option, or alternatively, drop us an email and we'll have this reset and resent to you. Once logged in, select the Dashboard Link option in the left column. All your available dashboards will be listed according to your product installation in the center column. Select the Call Tracker Dashboard. Note, the Logimeter dashboards are embedded within Xtracker. In order to view the dashboard full screen, select the full screen indicator in the bottom right. Once viewed in full screen, the following filters can be applied to the Call Tracker dashboard. Groups. This filter can be applied to view individual branches at a group level. Company. This filter can be applied if you manage 2 or more businesses. Media. This filter can be applied if you have 2 or more tracking numbers allocated to your business. Date range. As a default, the Logimeter dashboard is set at a 30-day view. A custom date range can be applied, or a predefined date range can be selected. Example, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 28 days, etc. Tracking numbers. This filter can be applied if you have 2 or more tracking numbers and would like to view the performance of a specific number. Answered status. This filter can be applied to view answered calls or missed calls. Day of week. This filter can be applied to view a specific day in a week. Business hours. This filter can be applied to view how many calls are received in business hours versus outside business hours. Table 1. Total calls. This highlights the total number of calls received based on the date range inserted. Missed calls. This highlights the total number of missed calls. Total callers. This highlights the total number of unique callers. Example, the same caller called your business twice, and the data will be displayed as 2 calls from 1 caller. Returning callers. This is the number of callers who called back on the same day. If their call was missed or unanswered, the data will be expressed as a percentage. Table 2. This table displays important call performance information for each day of the week and highlights when missed calls occur. Graph 2. Graph 2 provides a visual view of missed calls according to the hours per day. This will help you better manage your available resources. All callers call in with the intent in mind, so revenue can be attached to each call. So it's important to answer every call. Table 3. Table 3 provides a view of call events at a company level. If you have multiple tracking numbers, this will provide a combined total of all call data across the available/active tracking numbers. Table 4. Table 4 provides a view of all call events at a company and tracking number level. If you have multiple tracking numbers, this table will display the performance of each tracking number. Note, the Call Tracker Dashboard data updates every 4 hours. The call data displayed can be downloaded as a PDF. To download a PDF copy, right-click in the top right corner. This is one of many videos that will be released by the Logimeter support team on how to best manage the Logimeter solutions. If you have any questions or would like to know more, please send an email to support@logimeter.com.